Maing hapon niya by around 1:30 na karon, and I woke up around 9 a.m. kanina. Kay wala lang. And then abot akong hard drive para sa naso. Set up ko kanina. And then karon namo ko meeting alas 2. Alas 2:30 di ay. Kaon sa ta. Spam for today. So muna siya. Yeah, kanang nakungali sa sala. Ano mo ni? Nakungali ka doon sa sala kay sa ubos sa karahin mag-work ko later, pero murag doon lang sa pagkaon dali. So dili ko kaon sala. So mura na siya. Wala pa ko yung masturya kay murag half awake pa ko ba, pero mo na siya. So napagyap ko nga ribay, and yeah, it's very gloomy. Kitapol ko ganang ko maligo pero tugnaw man. Di man gid tugnaw, pero padong mo tugnaw ba niya murag. Yeah, a lot of things I need to do. I'm even late for my meeting. Kanina na ako'y meeting sa akong group, and then yeah, I'm late. I'm setting up the audio kasi maghinera. Yeah, so I'm supposed to have a meeting with my group, and who's late, so that sucks. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get through this day. I don't know what's up, but anyway, wow, kasabot. Murag diri na tingin ko na holiday, wala tayong hebot to hitabo nga daw. So murag malayat nga vlog till the next day. I'm not sure, or I can just upload this one later. I'm not really sure. I'm struggling to make vlogs. Nag-struggle kong make vlogs lately because yeah, I'm not in a good place. Because when you're in a good place, you like to make vlogs, and yeah, you nakay time, nakay kuan, nakay idea nga nindot. But if you're not in a good place, it's hard because di ka vlog, and also I'm trying to do some work. I'm not able to do so. I still have backlogs, so it makes things worse. So I suggest people, if you have any problems in life, just share it. Try to get help, and try to, yeah, ease in the burden of all the things that you're carrying. One of them right now is I'm carrying a lot of things, but also Laura is carrying a lot of things, and the thing is, yeah, she would need somebody to carry her burden also, but she's carrying more of the things. So yeah, it's not good for me to like ask her to carry some of my burdens, because yeah, I can do it myself. But yeah, if you're there, and if you're hanging by a thread, don't hesitate to ask help, because yeah, it would really matter if you have somebody help you. Because sa Pinas, good kita ba kanang wala na kita mental health, murag wala naman na mental health yun, so naman na. But in here, they value mental health. If you're not mentally in a good state or in a good place, then you're not functioning well, and it's not good. It's not good for your health, your physical health. It's not good for your dealings. It's not really good. So yeah, I hope sa Pinas we take importance to our mental health also, because lahing bit rough sa tuwa. Anyway, yeah, that's just me blabbering for today. So vlog today is going to be like that, nothing more. I'm struggling to make good happy vlogs, but either way, I'm still gonna upload this because mamaginin hita ko sa itong live. So mamaginin siya. Wala siya. Sige, patayon sa ko. Upayo ka na ba ako? Nasa ko moon night. Yan, alas 3 na. Yati, patay ko ani. Pisti. Work pag pa sa'yo. So bye. Alas 5 na niya, ni gloomy, ni ulan na. So dugay ko nag-start sa kung adlaw karon niya. I think it's gonna end with me not doing nothing new and nothing productive, and it sucks. So the only thing nindot karong adlaw is that kanang nakoy nadawat nga duha ka buok hard drive para sa akong NAS, ka akong gi-upgrade akong NAS downstairs. The thing is, naami may kanang sa post office ba? Post Australia mo tangari. Post na kuan nga kada some items kanang kinahanglan ka mo sign kung madawat ka ng mga mahalot nga items mo sign ka para surely madawat nimo. Naay usa diha nga basta na picture pero dili klaro. Naay usa diha nga niabot siya nga ri ni doorbell ka usa ni gibutang na din yang note. Pisti, you have problema na, you have to wait, you have to go to the news agency nearby to pick it up. So, nahitabo na niya na pisting tawahan na wala siya maninguhag tuk-tuk or kanang makita ko ba. So, doorbell siya ko sa wala ini tubag iring gid sa note. So, sometimes kung Friday mahatag, usually Monday na ko makuha. Kato siya kay nahatag to Friday and gisuot sa note nga Tuesday kay ang Monday holiday man. So, nanagod Friday na send dire pero dawaton ako Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days after. So, annoying siya nga tao pero may one time nadakpan ako siya, padung siya suwat sa note. Kausap pa siya ni doorbell. Wala ako pisti tawana eh. But yeah, today nadakpan ako siya. So, nakuha na akong hardware. So, that's the only good thing about it. But I hate that guy. Nasa usang nga rin taga-start trucks migo na. Kung ibot niya, Miguel, I'm here! Mukha na gano'n siya. Muna akong ganahan nga. Mailman. Yeah, ma-excite mga kada na yung mabot nga mail kay na may bago or something madawat ni mo. Mura na, naglawiw lang ako kay walang gano'n tabo karoon nag-heater. Kung nga kay tugnaw, padung na winter. Yeah, padung na winter. May 1 is coming and winter is coming. Bay, ayo bay. Wag ayo. Moto siya ang sunset kahapon. Wala na akong i-post kay kapoy ko kuha sa drone sa auto. So karon ako na siyang i-post. Although gahapon wala siya point sa narrative and karon wala gyud siya point sa narrative but ako na lang siyang i-post kay naaman. Wow. So nag-edit ko sa video karon nya na realize na ako maski na ako yung screen nga ri. Na di kay murag puti nga ri de. Piste. Post lang gyapon na to.